A survey from Wells Fargo polled about 300 teens nationally in late April through early May, and 45% of them said they're more interested in investing because of the GameStop social media situation. Kathleen Malone is a financial advisor at Wells Fargo. She was named to Barron's list of top 100 women financial advisors in 2019. She's also in their Financial Advisor Hall of Fame. It is a delight, Kathleen. I think this is your first CNBC appearance to have you here, especially because the survey is so fascinating. So this meme phenomenon, you think, could actually translate into creating the next generation of investors?
Absolutely. I think, well, we've certainly gotten their attention now, which is awesome. And we need to leverage that and educate them, create some conversation, particularly with parents and teachers and even advisors, to cultivate a love of learning and also the financial markets. I mean, markets are exciting. I love this job. And I think, there's going to be children that are going to really adapt to it. And I think it'll be a really fantastic experience for them and create habits that will create wealth for them in their whole life.
Yeah, one of the criticisms that's emerging from the likes of Robinhood and even some of the other more mainstream platforms that are making it easier for teens to trade is, commentators go, they're saying this is all about financial literacy, but it's really just in their own interest to generate trading activity and profits from kind of a especially gullible segment of the population. How would you respond to that?
Well, that's a tough one, but I would say if you get the parents involved, I think they can mitigate some of that. And that's just part of the conversation. I think parents can engage their children, especially if they're interested. This is a perfect time to get them to tell them about, what are the trends that teens are involved in now? I mean, they are usually have their ear to the ground way before parents, and I would argue maybe before analysts as well. So, I mean, they know the latest trends in fashion and music and entertainment. And so, challenge the child to express, what are the products they use, and then educate them that perhaps this is a publicly traded company that you could actually invest in.
Yeah, I have a great book that I think kind of summarizes people's hopes for this trend. It's Investing, the Last Liberal Art. And just argue you have to bring a lot together in order to form a view on whether to invest in any company. I guess less surprising, Kathleen, was the finding from your survey that half of parents admit their teen knows more than they do about Bitcoin.
Yeah, that is not surprising. I mean, again, kids are usually the first to know, and it is a trend that most parents didn't adopt. And so I think that's absolutely correct.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.